Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Discord error unable to link phone number to your account in a quick and reliable way, so you can complete verification without any problems. This issue usually happens when the phone number is already used on another account, or Discord detects unusual activity. First, make sure the number you are entering is correct and includes the proper country code. Next, check if your phone number is already linked to another Discord account. If it is, you'll need to remove it from that account before using it again. After that, wait for some time before retrying, because too many attempts in a short period can temporarily block verification. You should also switch your internet connection. Try using mobile data instead of Wi-Fi, or the other way around, to avoid network-related restrictions. Another helpful step is to disable any VPN or proxy service, as Discord may reject numbers from masked locations. If the issue still continues, try using a different phone number that hasn't been used on Discord before. Finally, make sure your Discord app is updated to the latest version. After following these steps, you should be able to link your phone number successfully without errors. Subscribe the channel for more videos.